Alrighty, boys and girls, we got Pepe coin about to do the inevitable, about to rally, about to pump. We're gonna go through this in today's video as Pepe now showing us again who's in control of the rocket ship that's taking all these meme coins with it, as it might just start a meme coin season again. So we're gonna be looking at meme coin season, what to expect, and as usual, we're gonna be looking at our favorite meme coins, what's new in the market, what's happening, or what should you be doing right now. So, with no further ado, let's get into today's video, and as usual, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and remember, nothing is financial advice. Let's get into it. So let's get into that Pepe technical analysis very quick. Now you can see, guys, here I let you tell me in the comment section what you think is gonna happen here, but let me tell you what I think is gonna happen. So with what we see here is we've got Bitcoin clowning the market again, right? Dumping, pumping, doing this, right? So this is still some sort of a bull flag still, nonetheless, on Bitcoin, right? So we can call it a bull flag, which basically just its job is just to get people freaking out because it keeps doing this lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then possibly it could do this, right? It could, or it could just break out from here. But usually this is a textbook bull flag, and these usually break out to the upside. If I did not know this asset or this chart, what coin is it or what asset is it, most people would say this is gonna break out. But because everyone is being a spaghetti hands right now and looking at the Bitcoin charts and thinking this is gonna drop because, you know, crypto boys and the crypto space is a clown show right now, with everyone thinking we are gonna go down with every red candle and every green candle. Everyone is thinking we're going higher. But here is the signs of a breakout imminent, of an imminent breakout. And basically when the market is really bearish, we don't see this happening. We don't see altcoins rallying. And even though you can see here, Bitcoin was doing this, right, from April, 8th of April, right? Bitcoin was just going down. Let me give you a perspective. So Bitcoin was just doing this for a long time now. For 42 days, Bitcoin was just going down. So within that time frame, we've seen this uptrend on Pepe coin. So you can see this first dump here. This was here, this thing here, market shake out and all that. People freaked out, market dropped, altcoins dropped with it, meme coins, Pepe dropped with it and all that. But since then we see this massive run. So this means that Pepe is outperforming Bitcoin at this time. This also means that the market is bullish. The market thinks Bitcoin is good, it's going higher, nothing wrong with it. The market is buying now altcoins, which is bullish, which is not usually what happens when the market is really bearish. So hold strong, the market is still bullish as long as we have this happening. When the chart on Pepe looks like it's going higher, right? It looks like it wants higher. It's going on an uptrend against the USD and against a Bitcoin. This is massive. This is how the altcoin season usually used to start, and now we are not calling it anymore the altcoin season, we call it the meme coin season, right? Few people still believe on those utility coins, but we don't do that here, sir. Here we do only meme coins because they are the biggest gainers this far in this cycle, and they are going to be the biggest gainers by far. So even if you're not holding Pepe, Pepe is the leader. So it's like the index. If Pepe coin is breaking out, everything else will break out. By everything else, I mean meme coins. It's not gonna happen with the utility coins, but these guys here are gonna follow. Now today we've got a bloody day on that meme coin space, but you can bet the utility ones are even worse. So Pepe is only down 1%, but the other ones are kind of struggling. Now we got Book of Meme only down 0.05%, 7 days, right? So you can see here the strongest ones. We got Brett on base, slowly bleeding still. DGen slowly bleeding, like the recent ones are still gonna bleed, right? We got Pops on ordinals now, complete destruction here, 55%. Now, as usual, right? People like to buy the tops on everything. I remember when everyone was like, oh, the next narrative is Bitcoin ordinals, down 56%. Poor Slurf wanted to make a move recently, but now down 20%. Anyways, now the point here in this video, guys, when we get a Pepe rally, this brings in hope. This brings in FOMO. This brings in greed. This brings in everything that's needed for these coins to rally. So basically here, guys, on my channel, we've been tracking meme coin seasons, and what usually happens, we've been tracking meme coin seasons from back in the day. So no, we're not going to look at Doge and Shiba Inu, but we're going to look at here. So from here, from Pepe, when we started seeing the outperformance from meme coins. So here we got Pepe season. This was the first meme coin season. This cycle started by Pepe. Pepe. Then we got BONK, started another meme coin season, and this was the Solana season. This also when we seen Dog with Hat and all other meme coins on Solana started the rally. Then we got another Pepe season. So this is very important. The Pepe, again, Pepe started another meme coin season. Then we seen Book of Meme, and I told you guys this is gonna be a cool off because this is too much right now. We seen a cool off, right? Even though after Book of Meme, we kept seeing some sort of pumps here and there on Solana and everything like that, but then we seen pump.fun and that's it. That was the top, right? That was it. And then we seen Brett on base, and that was also a topping signal or a end of the meme coin season. So historically, from this cycle, and usually this gonna keep playing throughout this bull market we're on right now. Pepe has started this far 2 meme coin seasons. Started the first one when it just appeared, and it started this one. Now we could put BONK now as a meme coin season starter. Now if we look at BONK now, it's not doing great, but I do think now BONK, Floki, Dog with Hat could have that in them, could start it, but eyes on Pepe. Why? Because Pepe now has proven now twice that Pepe starts the meme coin season. So with that said, if Pepe rallies, the chances of a meme coin season are very, very high. Very, very, very high. And most importantly, the Pepe verse meme coins are gonna follow that, because usually Pepe starts that. BONK started the Solana meme coin season. Pepe starts the ETH season and starts the Floki and all that. So also one more thing to add. So when we had the Pepe season, look at this pattern, which is very important. So the first meme coin season, we have the same bull flag playing out on Bitcoin. So we can see it here, right? So you can see the same stuff, same thing happening. Pepe season, meme coin season, everyone get too hot, and then we see this trend down. Let's look at BONK. BONK happened here, and it was gonna start to happen again, right? You see this? This was the Binance FOD, Binance paying the SEC and all that. But then we had the Bitcoin ETF. But look at this, right? So the Bitcoin ETF and all that, that was what got Bitcoin to rally here. But then we again got a bull flag here, this downtrend. You see, we call it a bull flag, this one here, and then the rally. So we got again a Pepe season cooling off with BOM, with Book of Meme and Brett, right? So we got 2 market overheats. We got 2 heats coming into the market very close to each other, which is usually not a good sign. So we had this 15 days apart from Book of Meme and Brett. We also had ordinals, but it came in too late. They didn't really cause that much damage. Also, Pump.fun caused a lot of damage too. I should also add Pump.fun. I don't know exactly. I'll have to add it here so we can track what happened when we got the Pump.fun season. So after Pepe, we got the pump on Bitcoin Pepe season. Everyone was happy. This was also the beginning of the year, February, right? So we got Bitcoin pumping, and we got the unfortunate topping signals like Book of Meme, Brett, and Pops, and Pump.fun and all that. But again, look at that. We got the same thing playing out. We got the bull flag again. So is Pepe gonna save it? That's the thing. Can Bitcoin just come back here to this 55K and then this again and then send it? So the only thing they're telling me this would not happen is Pepe doing this, right? So Pepe doing this, unless this is a fake out and then Pepe comes back here and then we do this. So this is what we're gonna be looking at now. But the most important, as I said, Pepe starts the meme coin season. So if Pepe rallies, we are going to see a meme coin season, Pepeverse season, and Bitcoin rally again. We also were gonna have something similar here. So look at that. Here, even though it was a short time, we got something similar, like Bitcoin just going sideways, people scared. You see these 3 daily candles here. People were possibly here shitting their pants, thinking that's it, it's over, and then Pepe rallies and then Bitcoin pumps. So this goes without saying that this is a Bitcoin and meme coin season. Altcoins, the other ones we don't talk about because they are not gonna do anything. I'm pretty sure most of them did not even follow Bitcoin in this rally, but Pepe started it and then everything else started it. So that's what we are looking at. This keeps playing out, guys. This keeps playing out. Now, even if we add that on the weekly, we have the 21 EMA, which is considered the bull market support band, which means if Bitcoin is above it on the weekly, we're good to go. So here, let me hide these. We can see now, again, we're above it. So here was Pepe, bounced from that 21-week EMA, and then we kind of got below it a bit, and then boom again, and then here, right? So this is when we just bounced from it, then Pepe season started. Is this again gonna play out, right? right? So you see this here, we got it again here, and Pepe is about to break out. This is playing again the same way. We might get another boring week, and then after Pepe breaks out, we see the breakout also on Bitcoin. It's playing out the same way now. Very likely we see this playing out, guys. So keep an eye on this. Pepe is looking bullish, looking like it wants higher. Meme coins are gonna start rallying. So what this means for you, top meme coins, you can watch any of my previous videos. Top meme coins, still you want to be accumulating those. Toshi now is down 24%, very decent dip. Ladies down 11%. This is also a good meme coin holding strong here. Decent meme coin. Snake, decent meme coin. Arbdoge, decent meme coin. Even Turbo now is holding strong. Now Turbo is pulling some decent gains. Anyways, any meme coins that you believe are gonna be those super runners, long-term meme coins and all that, that's the time, guys. That's the time, because this is happening. We've seen this playing out. Pepe season always starts. Also here, right? Pepe starts the meme coin season. We bounce off the 21-week EMA, and then we get a meme coin season. Same thing here. We get this Pepe season. We move on again. Then here we got the BONK season with Dog We've Had, another move. Then, you know, here we get all the topping signals, unfortunately. So that's what we want to keep an eye on. Now we are seeing some sort of a cool off on the pump Dodge fund stuff and all that. People are cooling off. People lost money on that, and now we are slowly getting a healthier market. People concentrating more into the valuable meme coins, the stuff that is here for the long term, and this is what we want to see, and that's being shown to us by people buying Pepe here. So the charts, they do not magically go up. For those that think this is some magic playing in the background, some matrix, now when this goes up, that means people are buying, and not any people, because this is a large cap coin now, is the big people that are buying now, especially that everyone is freaking out now. You can bet the shrimps now are not buying. The spaghetti heads, the G's are not buying this. It's smart money that's pushing this while Bitcoin is going down, because they are seeing what I'm seeing now here. Anyways, guys, so thank you so much for watching today's video. This is your update. Stay strong. Diamond hands. We're still going higher. This is business as usual. We're still going higher. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.